fishnets. 50 in the cast, zero missteps. Looking back, I guess it was kismet. I waited by the stage door, packed in with the autograph hounds, barking her name and glowing like the end of a cigarette box. She came out, then she said to me, "Hey, thank you for the lovely bouquet. You're sweeter than a peach, but you